Hey guys, Rhonda here. I was scrolling through my videos and I noticed that I hadn't posted this video showing you how to make clusters. You can use this technique for any holiday tree that you make. Hey guys, I'm Rhonda Nickerson, the owner of Rhonda's Creative Corner, and I am going to be telling you guys how to decorate your tree. So with this tip, I'm going to be showing you how to make clusters. All right, so as you guys know, if you saw the tree topper video, I have a certain order that I do all of my how I decorate my trees. Okay, I do tree topper, big ornaments, and then I do my clusters. All right, so let's talk about the clusters. So what you want to do is you want to have, with the clusters, you want to have at least 3. You can get away with 2. I'm going to tell you, when I first started off, I had 2 things and I ran with it. I did the best that I could. Okay, so as you continue to grow and you get more funds to be able to do more, then that's what you do. It's okay to put 2 clusters on there, or 2 pieces in your cluster if you want to. I recommend 3, but you can use 2. Okay, so what clusters I'm using are the same clusters that I used up top, other than less the I don't have the pampas in these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, when I have each one of my pieces, I want to make sure that I go in and make sure that every one of my petals in my poinsettias, let me just place this right here so that I can, there we go. Every piece of my poinsettia is being shown, okay? I wanna go in and I wanna make sure that every piece is being shown. Kinda wanna spread it out. Make sure no little holes that you can see through, and just make sure that it's beautiful, okay? So, all of your pieces, you want it to go in and you want to fluff them out, because when you first get your pieces, all of them are together. They're usually in some plastic and they're all together. So you want to go in, I've already done this one, but you want to go in and you want to place and take each thing, bring it forward, move it out, make it look beautiful, okay? You just want to spread it out and make it look beautiful. So you do the same to all of your picks. So what I'm going to do is I want this one to actually go in the back, okay? So I'm going to take this one. So you take your tallest ones and then you move forward as you get shorter. So I'm taking this one here, and then I'm going to place this one on top, all right? And then I'm going to take this greenery here. So with this particular one, you have little vines on there. So you want to make sure, I'm gonna put my hand there so you guys can see. So when you get it, these vines are straight, okay? So you want to make sure that you're going in, you're pulling those vines forward or wherever you want them to go, and then you're twisting them and making sure that they are apart and that they are seen of your cluster. All right, so I have done all of those already. Then I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to place it on top. And then I'm going to take my beautiful poinsettia and then I'm going to place it there, okay? So this is my cluster. Let me see if I need to go in and glue that, but that's fine. All right, so this is my cluster, all right? So you have it and you're just stacking it on top of each other and you're making it look beautiful. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your cluster. I never cut my stems because my tree is pretty big and the stems can just go through. So I never really cut my any of my stems on here. I'll leave them as is. So I'm going to take it. I want mine to look like it's coming down off of the tree, okay? So I'm just taking it and I'm just placing it in there. If you guys can see, look how beautiful that is. Now, before you actually tie it in, you can go in and maneuver any of the picks that you want to. You can move any of them that you want to, okay? So I place it in there. So you can put it as far in as you want or however you want it to be, okay? I do like it to touch right at the branches that are right above it. I don't want it to go in too far because this stuff is too pretty to not be seen. I kind of want it out just a tad, okay? And then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna leave it there. So you can see, you can't just leave it there. If you're doing an install, I definitely would tie it in. If you don't feel like doing it on your own tree, you don't have to, but you may have to go in, replace it. So I'm gonna show you here what I'm going to do because you won't be able to see inside of there. Let me see these, I'll get this one. So I'm just taking 2 branches and then I'm just wrapping them around my cluster, okay? You just take 2 branches here, you get it, and you wrap it around for your cluster. So I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna find me 2 that are pretty close, and I'm going to tie it together. I'm just gonna wrap it in, and that way it's not going, it'll move left and right, but I can't pull it out easy. Now what I wanna do is I wanna go in and make sure that all things are beautiful. I wanna go in and just fluff everything, make sure everything is seen. Make sure I don't wanna pull something out more. Just make sure it looks beautiful. Like I said, these beautiful berries are here. You want the berries to be seen. These beautiful little vines, you want all of that to be seen. So go in and you can just pull it forward just so that it can give it an added dimension, okay? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tip. Until next time. Bye, guys. All right, so there you have it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to push that notification bell. Make sure to also check down in the description for all of our affiliate links to our favorite wreath supply shops. All right, guys, until next time. Bye-bye.